Hello friends and welcome back to Flavors on My Farm. Today I will be sharing with you another great recipe called MURGH CHOLAY. MURGH CHOLAY is a delicious gravy preparation that combines two of the most popular ingredients of Punjabi cuisine, chickpeas, which is also called as chole, and chicken. This recipe originally originated in a city called Lahore, and it's a very important and a very popular dish in both the cities across the border, Punjab and Amritsar. You'll find it in great numbers and great fan base in these cities, especially in these cities. And to make this recipe, I've taken around half a cup of oil, and I've fried my onions until they turn golden like this. The idea is to make these onions uh, turn golden, to start turning golden before you add in your garlic paste, which is 2 tablespoons, and ginger paste, which is 1 tablespoon. Saute this well and cook this. Basically, this recipe is supposed to be slightly spicier because it's chickpeas, which is a little bland in flavor, and to spice it up. And the chicken itself does not have a lot of flavor. I mean, I would say so. It takes in a lot of spices in it, and of course, you add green chilies to this to make it more spicier. So I've taken 1 tomato in a mixer in a hand blender jar, and I'm going to add in my green chilies around. I think these are 6 to 7 green chilies. Now again, you can add how much ever that you can handle. Doesn't have to be exact numbers. This chili is basically how is to add the spice to make it that spicy and hot, and you can add how much ever chili that you want depending upon how much you can handle it. So I'm just going to grind it using my hand blender. And this my hand blender is something that I feel is the most convenient for me, and that's why I use a hand blender. Otherwise, it can be grinded in any mixture, any jar, any blender. You can use anywhere to grind this. It's a runny paste, and I'm going to add it to my onion paste here. And I'm going to saute this for at least 2 to 3 minutes until my onions and my tomato are combined. Some people use chilies like habanero and extremely hot chilies. It's up to you about what is available to you. So I'm using green chilies here. And I'm going to add in my spices now. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder heaped, 1 heaped teaspoon of red chili, 1 heaped teaspoon of cumin powder, of black pepper. This is leveled, 1 teaspoon, and half teaspoon of garam masala. All the spices go in and mix it well, roast it well. It should be all combined, and when it's combined and it's roasting well, it will give out its aroma. That's what will make it aromatic. Now I'm adding in 1 kilo of chicken. I made this recipe with a kilo of chicken, and mix it well. And as you can see that it is sticking at the bottom of the pan, and it's sticking but it's not burning. So at this point, just add a little bit of water. And water is always as per your discretion. You have to remember that your gravy or your the dish that you're cooking should not burn. So you add water little by little. Don't add water all at once, because again, that will really not serve the purpose completely of you roasting it. So little by little water, so that the water absorbs it and it you can mix it well. Now here I've added 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt, like I've always said, is as per your taste. And you have to be a little careful here because I'm going to be using canned chickpeas and they already have salt, so be careful about the salt. And here, 1 cup of yogurt. Uh, oh, this dish is making me feel so hungry right now. But My mouth's watering. Okay, just add a yogurt to this and mix it well. And know that after adding yogurt, it will release a lot of water. So just cover this and let it cook while you prepare your. Cook it until for 15 minutes till your chicken is almost done. Now here I'm taking my canned chickpeas. I'm just draining out all the liquid from here, and basically I'm gonna wash this so that I can get rid of the salt and or the preservatives, that is because these are canned chickpeas, and uh, obviously they all have some preservatives, and I feel it's best that I wash it before using it. Of course you can use your normal chickpeas, which you will soak in the night, previous night, and just boil it. These are basically 2 cups of boiled chickpeas. So each can represents 1 cup of boiled chickpeas. Now, and this is my chicken after 15 minutes. Is the oil's floating on top, and there is still a bit amount of water in this, and I want to evaporate this. So keep roasting it until your water has evaporated and should start looking like this. Beautiful, beautiful color. Add in your chickpeas at this point and mix it well. Saute it and mix it well. So basically this is what you have to do at this point. Just mix it, saute it, and roast it so that it is all well combined and it looks really nice. And of course, I keep adding water as and when required, and always in small quantities. Never add a lot of water because you will then end up just trying to dry it up. So little by little, always water. Adjust the water as you require. Your aim of adding water here is to prevent it from burning or sticking to the pan. So just be careful. My I've now added enough water for the gravy. Again, it depends upon your wish how much water you need in the gravy. I need a slightly gravier uh, curry. So this is after 5 minutes. I'd covered and let it cook, and you can see my dish is completely done. It's beautiful. Look, it looks amazing. It tastes amazing. It's one of my best. I mean, I've posted almost all of my those dishes which are really good. So this is one of them which is really good. And this is all about done. There's nothing better than, this is so proteinous. I would say it's full of protein. And and this is the final step. Just garnish it with coriander leaves and ginger julienne. Uh, just mix it, and this is your final dish. I hope that you will try this recipe. These are these give comfort to your soul, to your body, to your mind, even when you look at these dishes, because it gives you happiness. So do try to cook these kind of recipes. It's really delicious. It's very healthy. It's nutritious. It's everything you need. This is how I just wanted to plate it up and show you how you can eat this. How it looks on a plate. You can eat it with rice, or you can eat it with roti or puri or chapati or paratha, anything. It goes well with everything. It's a beautiful dish. It's a wonderful dish. I hope you will try this recipe and do let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.